How to buy Shibnobi Shinja right on Bitmart. Very simple and very easy. Click on the link below to get registered and let's start trading today. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Shinja has been one of the hottest and top gainers all day long on launch on Bitmart, and you see it right here, 49.23%. So that means we can trade it right from this first page, but I'll also show you another way you can search for Shinja. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, this is what it looks like on the mobile device. Let me move this over here. This is what it looks like on the mobile device of Shinja. So just to let you know, you can use this on mobile device. What I did was to search Shinja to find what that is. Shinja, the trading pair is right there, and that's what it looks like on the mobile device, and I can go ahead and buy. Now, if I'm trying to do the desktop, it's similar. So what I can do is click on trade. Then from there, it gets me to a page right here. Now, the only thing you need to have is USDT. Make sure you have that because that's how you pay for your Shinja. Just like on the mobile device, it says so right here, buy, and it's going to ask you for the USDT. You see that right there? So how do you do that? Click on this right here. You want to go to deposit. And then here, we want to buy USD. Click on buy and sell. Buy USDT. From here, look at this. USDT, buy. Then from here, you put an amount of how much money you want to use towards USDT. So if you say $200, $200 of USD, then from here, it redirects you to a page of how you can purchase this. You can use MoonPay or Simplex. They both work very simple and very easy. And it tells you the reference price, payment, and also expected purchase quantity. Once you do that, you buy this and then you have USDT. And they even show you how much you're going to actually have, 197 or 178.86. So I like them both, but MoonPay seems like the better deal, to be honest with you. All right. So then from there, I can go back on the page I was at. And so I can click on market and I can type in Shinja. Very simple and very easy. So type in Shinja. And by the way, you will be getting reflections when you buy on Bitmart. Yes, you will be getting reflections, just to let you know. So from here, then you have your USDT. So remember, it was a value of 197. Remember that? So that's how much you'll have if you choose MoonPay, right? So then the 197, when you type that in, it will automatically calculate what's the value of Shinja from that 197. Then you buy, you're good to go, and it goes right to your portfolio. Then from there, if you want to sell at some point, you do the reversal, what we just did. So you click on sell Shinja, how much Shinja you want to sell. It will go back to your USDT, right? It goes back to USDT, not USD, not yet. So when you do that, when it goes back to USDT, you can click on withdraw. And then from here, couple options. You can actually keep it on your USDT, maybe trade it to buy something else. You can actually exchange to buy something else. Or if you want to sell this, just what you want to do. Click on buy and sell, and then sell it, right? Then from here, you want to sell your USDT. You type in your amount of USDT you want to sell, and then that's going to be the value of the USD. And then you click on sell. It can be connected back to your bank account. Very simple and very easy. Now, if I go to the mobile device, that's what it looks like if I click on sell and buy. And if I go to the home page, I don't know if you guys saw the home page of Bitmart, and I will go back and just to kind of show you this right now. To show you this, let me go click on some of these little mail confirmations here. A lot of mail confirmations, they just keep coming in. So hold on, let me see here. Sorry about that. A lot of confirmations here. I think it might be coming from the cell phone. Anyway, so what I would do is I'm gonna click on cancel, and this is the front page right here. This is what it looks like on your mobile device here. Here's a couple of tokens that Bitmart does have. You'll see Shinja here in a couple of minutes. That should show up at the top because it just got listed today, January 19, 2022. if you're watching this video right here. Now, on your mobile device, you can do very similar ways. From here, this is where you'll log in, and you can still deposit, you can still withdraw. The steps I just showed you right there, deposit and withdraw area right there. You can still do all those type of things as well. So your mobile device works very similar to the desktop version of this. So take this very slowly. Another area I want to show you here is a help desk area. So if I click on Bitmart, there is a help desk, and it's right here on the bottom right. Let me click on the mobile version so you can see both of them. So if you click on here, it is a live chat that you can talk to somebody. So if I click there, you see that live chat, I can talk to somebody if I've got questions. You know, put my name in here, my email, and then my message is optional, but you can go ahead and put your message optional. Here's Shinja right there listed on Bitmart. So you can put there and you can start chatting if you got questions about Bitmart, about trading, about, you know, the value of your tokens, your bank account, anything like that. You can actually do that. Very simple and very easy. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. If I click on deposit here, and then what happens is when you buy Shinja, you should see it right in your account here, right in your account. When you buy any token, really, you should still see the value and everything in here as well. You should be very, very simple to be able to do that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.